The 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass W30 442. When it was first introduced in 1964, the Olds 442 was essentially a police package that was made available to the public, consisting of a 4-barrel carburetor, a 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhaust. The designation of 442 was self-descriptive. The customer got a lot more than just a 4-barrel on this 330 cubic inch engine. Also included was a special camshaft, heavy-duty rods, and main bearings. Heavy-duty suspension and speed-rated tires are part of the chassis upgrade, marking a total performance car. This characteristic was to be hallmark of all the subsequent 442s. So far as total performance muscle cars of the 60s, the Olds 442 was the best composed all-around performer money could buy off the showroom floor. Not only could a 442 provide mind-dazzling straight-line acceleration, it could find its way around those twisty sections too. In '69, the 442 got a styling change that is with us today, the traditional body color divider in the center of the grille, or 2 grilles instead of 1. The 442 also came with a standard 400 cubic inch V8, which developed 350 horsepower in standard trim and 360 with the W30 cold air package. The 4-speed system was still with the package, and of course the dual exhaust system played some lovely tunes in true automotive stereo. The high-level suspension kept the 4 special tires planted on the road with front and rear anti-roll bars, heavy-duty springs, and shocks. Road testers of the time acknowledged the 442 as the best all-around performance car of the era. The starting price was $3,141. 26,357 were built in 1969. The wheelbase was 112 inches, length 201.9, base weight 3,502 pounds. Engine specs included a 400 CID, horsepower is 350/360, a 3600 RPM. Torque 440 foot-pounds, compression ratio 10.5 to 1. Axle ratios 2.56 to 1 standard, 4.66 to 1 optional. The 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass W30 442.